I'm Julien. Welcome back to another episode of Julesandmetv. Today, I'm going to talk to you about the Lego logging truck. This is for ages 5 to 12. There are 228 pieces and a couple of stickers. Okay, let's build it. Here is the finished Lego logging truck. The set comes with a truck, a driver, a worker with a chainsaw, 2 big logs, and 2 little trees. The Lego logging truck is awesome. The cab has metal for protection. The cab has a coffee cup inside. Lego men drink lots of coffee. The truck has a big arm that picks up logs. It can turn and rotate. The truck has chains to keep the logs in place. This man has ear protection because the saw is noisy. I'm going to cut the log. Be sure to tune in next time. Bye-bye.